All right, this is a game changer. Artichoke spinach croissant rollovers. You can see all the things you need right over there and all these amazing ingredients. It's pretty simple, but it's so delish. So I'm going to start with a can of artichoke hearts that I'm going to drain. And then I'm going to take an onion and I'm going to be mincing that fine, as well as buttering a pan. Once that pan is nicely buttered, I'm going to add those onions to a frying pan, slice up my artichokes, add that spinach to a pan once the onions have been reduced, and you'll see how much those spinaches just sort of wilt up inside the pan. Then what I'm going to do, I got it a little faded here, but we're going to add all those other ingredients, our cheeses, our mayos, our sour cream. Everything's going to go right in, and what you're going to get is this incredible mixture that's super tasty. I'm going to take that mixture in a croissant roll, and I'm going to spread it almost right to the edges. I'm going to roll it up and slice it up, and then I'm just going to fill up the pan. I'm going to brush it with an egg, and I'm going to grate Parmesan cheese over top. And then we're going to place it in an oven at 425 for about 20 minutes. And what you're going to get is this perfect golden appetizer. I'm telling you guys, this is an absolute game changer, and I'm so happy I got to teach this dish.